Not every computer is on 24/7. My laptop, for example, is only on while I'm using it. What would happen if something stopped working? Well, since I'd be sitting here using it, I'd obviously notice if the battery died or my program crashed. Hi, Charles here with Alyvix. If that happened, worst case, I'd have to reboot or recover a file. So I don't really need to do anything special to check that my laptop's currently working or not. I can just look at it. Imagine instead, though, we're talking about servers, virtual machines, or a set of web services, rather than a laptop. Those are business-critical systems, likely with no screen or keyboard, sitting somewhere in a room in the back or in the cloud. And imagine it's not running PowerPoint, but a $2 million a week e-commerce site. These systems don't have to go down completely to cause problems. Even slowdowns or increased latency can decrease your productivity or make your customers decide to go somewhere else. But if they do go down, we're not talking 2-minute reboot or loading a file from backup. It's a huge difference. The task is now critical and it'll take a while to recover. We really need to know the moment a critical system goes down to minimize that downtime and so how much money you might lose because of it. It doesn't even have to be for sales. It could be a computer checking hospital patient vital signs, or servers handling internet access for an entire city, logistics systems that need to get packages out the next day, or just lots of average users, including your own employees, who can't log in to run their remote applications. The simplest solution to knowing when your apps or systems fail is just to have someone sit there, checking one computer after another over and over. But that's expensive, and there are only so many computers that one person can watch at a time. A much better solution is automatic system monitoring. We let the computer do what it's good at, repetitively checking a large group of servers or VMs that are doing the real work. And when the number of servers grows, you just scale up by adding more monitors. And monitoring isn't just making sure those computers are up and running at any moment. A monitoring system should also tell you when things are running more slowly than usual, like when increased customer requests are making the current load too high for the number of servers available. While slowdowns and high latency don't have the immediate critical impact that downtime does, they happen much more often, and the effects over time can be even greater. Another advantage is you can know ahead of time that a failure is about to happen, by seeing that a hard drive is starting to fail, or a network switch just can't handle increasing loads. If you get a heads up, you'll have time to intervene before anything bad happens, by starting maintenance or speeding up purchasing decisions. And with the data from monitoring, you'll know exactly where to begin looking for the cause. So that's why you need monitoring, both to keep things running smoothly and to be warned as soon as they aren't. But how do you actually go about monitoring computers? I'll tell you in the next video.